Manfred. Mister
Alpha.
Adeu.
Good day.
Ade.
Maybe out him now.
No. Say bibia come and there.
I will be one.
We shall say some wish CDR. What man CDS. Obey ni asho abun's woman. And I'm busy some ground now. Umbeso be yano.
I mean, just me found what the last time.
Oh, wow, found. I didn't see a chance. I mean, show Dimina Pa. Where did you grand quay? Now to say, set triple to be fine.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Damn, yes. Now, the Mquay horns to be fine.
Yeah,
the Mquay honor.
Why?
Wouldn't do on a coin to the Mquay and a kama.
As I require, they require to say.
Me besides the Mquay and I'm quay honor. Be kama. With me and kama.
The
Mquay honor.
Yeah.
At the end, I'm quay and I may can some too fine. And I'm besides the Mquay or be fine.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Damn, yes. Damn, yes. Who to me and come there?
The bed didn't have all cars or the one.
Mentio and Yanko task screeners and
then our cars or the one way.
Men fair be wine. So quite be beer, come on. Yam quay be beer. And I'm saying the old quay to me and come.
How long has it been?
Like 2 weeks, right?
Na me boy more control na meteza me boss so je aduma.
Ayala.
Mr. Uzubempa anyari esa ngotwe me ban.
Uzubempa dam hoko.
Wo do we your when me dey. Wo me kuza.
Is we dam dan ko ze di. Ayala.
But at least
is it me mo bi anko bi.
But that
is only fatilo na ese me hwe na me di ahoma bom na me na nsen.
We chara.
Is it some nature?
Sada do mo who send me message bi say agbened.
Here we go. Here we go.
Here we go.
I say there, here we go.
Now,
obey the medicals in there. Or pass it on
it.
Is it more bianco? Mimo bianco.
I
on the name of
I'm going to pep Chaveria. Here we go.
It's all onion medicals now.
La crowd, I don't know.
Is it in there? My close chapter.
But I one castle quake before so Hannah or no. I
had this say when you
say when you be Cusco.
Maybe and I be grow too kind. Then I go US.
Yeah.
And you be grow be up so cotton or be 3 months.
I don't know to the bina careful for being at the other some open.
Sure.
Yeah, but what I wanted to say is that I mean, I don't know how many years, 8 years.
8 years.
Yeah.
8 solid years.
Great years for with him. And I mean, I mean, earlier one area but seriously, Nhyira has been fantastic. It's important say me sending a message, a reply to him on Twitter, but I have not. I had to also say it here. Say for me personally, based on the Nhyira Mame. The guidance that he guided me without even knowing. Nhyira doesn't talk too much. But that is enough guidance for me as somebody that I learned under when I came into the job. The tide of life everyone is going to be a successful one. Nah. The BBI and obviously here at Nhyira FM no, we'll keep on supporting him.
Sure.
And then
wish you all the best.
We'll forever be his fans.
Okay.
Is it the Juma says so?
Say the idea. Sentinel am semi mo bi anko bi. You say only fatilo na me titi say bi but
sir.
My blocking no cry.
Fatilo.
Mo here we go in there mam.
Fatilo ko you busy ga. O me china to body says can we do.
Ona zio abeje kakra. We do you happen to this rapper. What do you try? Over them. Kofi.
Is there the transfers now?
Transfers now.
But seriously, Barca for my mind is almost Julian Alvarez.
Oh yeah.
We are not serious about it.
I don't know when you're serious.
We are not serious about Julian Alvarez. Barcelona are not serious about Julian Alvarez. Which it has dragged.
Say Sikasam.
But is that not the reason? And only Basa Samson is like to Rodri in common. And that's another money. Basa, you see, based on their Basa here, Julian Alvarez, Rodri Cascante, super important for them. Because they also pay Rodri Cascante or your midfielder, they are midfield ni here, obetimi ayama plus okita the experience. And we realized that in the last 2 or 3 Champions Leagues, near Bona Barca are falling short. It is probably the inexperience of the team and are accounting for Sanyo, man. So for them to be able to add Obisa Rodri Cascante to the mix is important. But 2 offers have gone already to Manchester City. They've not closed it up. Barca for minimum and say a negotiation, granted a negotiation. And the best part of the negotiation is that for Barca to be able to get more, and that is Rodri Cascante in the agents to say that Barcelona into more Manchester City and Mamoni Madrid and Ninkomono. That makes a lot of sense. It makes it a clean sweep for Barcelona. But say, for the first offer call, you've not finalized. Second offer, still, the time begins to go. Mind you, for Manchester City, they will not go into the media and try to let their position be clear. Yeah. Two person who need to match the phone and they are waiting for Barca to bring in a proper offer. They've bought a midfielder and Elliot Anderson for £116 million. Are you Buadi? They are closing it. Yeah. It's going to be in the region of 80 million. So you will not pay the 45 million plus add-ons for Rodri. And that's why they are turning it down. A Barca wants and Pampa, they want the experience of Rodri. And of course, the player wants them there. 60, 70. You finalize the deal.
City's on per 70.
Person can just yes, oh yes. But I feel like the long run, Barcelona will wait for this deal to run down on for the next year free. And a January pre-contract.
Okay.
I feel like that's a huge possibility.
Especially when Branton and Casa show say, hold up, Barcelona and Pesa Bono.
Plus, the City for no a little bit in a dilemma. Enzo Maresca Bayern. I feel no best start here Juma as the new coach of the club. Yes, Maresca was there before, but at the time Maresca is coach. Now he is the senior most coach in the club. Rich, imagine saying Fiifi, Bernardo Silva. So what do you see from Muka? 2 of the most experienced midfielders at Manchester City have been lost. What Elliot Anderson? Elliot is off the ball as good, but not as technically good on the ball as Rodri. There is nobody in terms of the replacement of Bernardo Silva. Even Ayub Buhari doesn't have that experience. For City, they would love to keep Rodri unless Barca are paying the premium amount of Ujiri. Say you pay for the best player at the World Cup and the last few seasons Ballon d'Or holder and Sana Wajel Numa Monaco. So Barca would have to allow cash out. And for me, I think it's a similar story to Julian Alvarez. Rich, the Alvarez stories. Who is it? Enrichi. Gil Marie never can clearly say, I feel like personally, Gil Marie vision for Atletico, they say, Atletico be a selling club to the 2 big clubs in Spain. He feels that per the prospect, Atletico can compete with those 2 clubs. Into your players compete. But if we become a feeder club to Madrid and Barcelona by extension, now they be fire players there, then becomes worrisome. And that's what they don't want to do. If they will have to sell, then they will sell at a premium price.
It makes sense.
Rich, whatever the boy will do, I said it before I went on break. So Atletico will not listen. And then he has reported Barca for Gerard Moreno has set cameras all over Madrid in trying to track the movement of Julian Alvarez. Boy, alcohol. But the meeting that was supposed to go on and then will come off on Wednesday. Diego Simeone say, Gil Marie catch and so keep Julian Alvarez. No, or no, from the sporting perspective, it's good for him. He also wants to keep Julian Alvarez. On Pesa Alvarez, every free club. No, he wants to make sure say a branch in a friend Julian Alvarez is kept at the club because he thinks he's an important player for them. Rich, we know that Julian wants to go, but we need the leverage and the power.
Got 5 years there.
Odian can say even the 4 years for now. It's a lot of time. Yeah. But who's a Barcelona for now also banking on the fact say you don't have to keep as also a big clubber. You don't keep a player who's unhappy. And I never quite a pep. No. Who a player who you mine. And it happened with him, Julian Alvarez. Obekaya, you go walk back on the buyer. Julian Alvarez say, okay, when you be more Ellen Haaland the botcher, no. He said, quickly, I want to go. Pep's okay, go. So I think that this day will come down to time and patience for them. Mesre, Arao is not a bad player. Rich, sometimes Abrabono, Nyoma be how I drink to me affect your performance in your workplace. Only anti-ama money, any HR executive be or your top or your specialist on a Jumem Kaza, they'll tell you. So one of the biggest issues that HR for face power is psychological issues of their workers, of their human resource. Which at some point in time, Ronald Araujo was wearing the Barcelona captain's armband. If you are talking about centre backs that have worn that armband, we are talking about Gerard Piqué and Carlos Puyol. These are top draw. When he came in, he was not a bad player. Yeah. And maybe when Barca needed to defend set pieces and score from set pieces, it was Ronald Araujo. Now, it was that Paris Saint-Germain game and from there. When he was exposed by Luis Enrique, body backcola for pace and he's not being too comfortable on the ball. And I started the problems of Abenche Freno, Ronald Araujo. And of course,
and I'm a Kaipa Barcelona Inter Milan.
So Inter Milan, and when they went away to Chelsea last season, Cody red card and then cost Barcelona the game. And then football fans now, you can be whoever. Immediately you begin to get 3, 4, 5 matches and you are costing them on wins. Which is the most, and also sometimes on Musika in betting slips any Sikano, right? They will turn on you, and of course the performance of Ronald Araujo has dwindled, and I don't see that affecting him. But let us not forget, say a move to Liverpool probably provides a new environment for him. And on compare with Liverpool, he is not going to be the main guy again. He plays as periphery to a branch friend of Virgil van Dijk. Liverpool need him for his channel defender and Ibrahim Konate, yes, I in the power. Fullbacks in the Kwanda and Doni Ariola, the fullbacks will go high and wide. Melos Kekes will push up. So what he needs from him is that the fullbacks in the Kwa who can go into the wide areas and defend. Now, apart from Onwene and Virgil van Dijk, 2 of Liverpool's centre backs are either not so good in recent times or young. Abenche friend Leone, Omkofani free Italy, about the ACL injury. On Shedan Moore is a young player. Jeremy Jacket is a young boy. Joe Gomez is young. So to get this plus the aerial threat for Liverpool, especially on loan, I think it's a good one for them. They'll be able to sort it out in there. Which number of goals are Ferran Torres actually will work happening?
Ferran Torres, is it 3?
3-1.
1 pound. I find an unguano. Asamu.
As a son of Bravo. He had 1 World Cup goal. But it was a very important goal. And there was a point in time in Barcelona last season the club needed somebody and Ferran stood up. Which okay said Lamine Babi Pry. Rafinha Pry. Robert Lewandowski was not scoring. They needed somebody to get the goals in for them. And that is when Ferran Torres stood up and then became the main guy for Barcelona. In 2 seasons, almost 45 goals and assists and Ferran. So when the guy comes back and wants a lot of love from Barcelona, I can understand where it's coming from. Because Barcelona now all rank the top players in terms of players that are ranked well. Ferran yet only even the top 5.
Only constituency.
Debbie. Omasa Kofa de Yemi Mone God de Masaba. It looks as if he's falling below in the pecking order. So when he asks for love, he will go there. Rich, Luis Enrique saw the Bemano. And he's going to play as a force number 9, especially when Gonzalo Garcia is gone. Gonzalo Ramos echo and will be able to go and play. Now's just the preseason hiding. See Chibunia 3-0.
No, near Onyade. Me first damn it AC Milan. I go for Ruben Amorim. AC names on Pesum Guno. But the moon can be on my culture supporters. To the M Kofa coach on one Behatimna, not supported Nakas yet Jaitim. And yes, sir, Amorim. Now, Chelsea team wait to be short 3.
But what's your match?
I want the game. Chelsea team was a short 3. Debbie.
But on Tiasi in India.
Nasa Chelsea team. You bet me the team be a sham.
Okay. Me Chelsea preseason this is my highlights, and I want to just pause it over here because just a single image. Now, Rich, a image of Austin McPhee.
Okay.
Who's a Chelsea Akofa set piece coach every Aston Villa, and the plan is that Austin McPhee be the Chelsea set piece coach in terms of coaching or partners. So Beka last 2 seasons, Yakofa acquired by a friend Bernardo Cueva from Brentford. Now Bernardo Cueva will now be in charge of the analytics.
Okay.
On Robert's back door. No guide a team of analysts in terms of set piece. Not the information. I'm Austin McPhee. Now McPhee was very, very good track record. Now, for me, I think that was the highlight of the whole Chelsea preseason because so more touch science and the coaching of set piece is important. And Rich, in today's Premier League, will be a team say it is not going to be easy to get open play goals. And that is why I asked only said last season England no. You're winning championship said the most set piece goals. You're winning Premier League said the most set piece goals. You're winning League One said the most set piece goals. It tells you that there is a way to understand that set piece are very important in the grand scheme of things. The whole preseason at Chelsea Cowboy, I never come here very keen on Xabi Alonso as a manager and as a coach. And how he wants to play. Who's there before the Xabi Beba Chelsea no? At Bayern for Leverkusen no about 3 back. At Madrid no have a variation of the 3 back and 4 back. There are a lot of tactical people that think say 3 back really too passive. But who are they with Xabi Alonso and Rich? Say sound of Bebona. Maybe he has a lot of work to do, but say a far it can be a good thing. Xabi is not playing either a 3 back or a 4 back. I say in all the games that Chelsea ball preseason, the shape change as per the match and as per problems on face or partners. In Tubaka in the last game against AC, they said, I need to know about 3 back against AC. No, so we know the who here. Now, system no a picture. You know here say based on the principles, no, the players will move. Once the players move and the picture is moving, no, then it becomes a movie. He wants to be able to get them to move consistently. There are certain games where you can see clearly Chelsea build with a back four like this one. Clear back four build up when they have the ball. There are certain times where in the back four, you realize that Chelsea are building with just a back 3. There are times when we build with a back 3 with the wing backs close. And Adiabakwa Airborne in that regard is that he now has a couple more players or more versatile. Because now Marco Palestra beats me ball right wing back, beats my ball right back. Jawa had to beat my ball left center back, beats my ball left back. Pep Chaveria back can play there as well. And he adds the Morgan Rogers and the likes. You don't have to jump into conclusions so much with Chelsea and Xabi Alonso. And like he said, it will take time. Bibian set. Now, I think in the transfer market, Chelsea has shown intent. They've given the manager the power. I can't go 20 players up here. Buko Bayern, when you first time I want to experience players. Raheem Sterling, Kalidou Koulibaly, Munira, no more 7-7 Kokrafo in football terms. They came in plus Aubameyang and Fa. So it's about how the coach uses these players and what they want from them. So we'll see how that goes. And I'm one man who story I'm saying. In your Fabian Duridian Kameda Papa. After all the business we've done, Lacroix, Morgan Rogers, Chaveria, Palestra. Because now Chelsea's biggest headache in Fiifi. Say Rodri free Man City, and Man City will look at Enzo. Say Enzo and Kokra a Sugo is not a player that you want to rely on the ball. Lavia pre-practice and first 90 minutes, but you don't have enough to say that Lavia can play the full whole of the season without consistent injuries. So if you can get Fabian Rui at that age 30 for a good amount of money, he adds a lot more quality to the middle of the pack. And yes, then you stick with our brand here friend Alex Scott. On Alex Scott.
PSG for no munti mukra.
Fabian Rui.
Mamunko.
Na player nika so beba o PSG na.
Kofi Brandon on mo Chelsea.
On mo Chelsea.
Yenkwa enim.
On mo Chelsea.
Minim reason dia.
Anything na munti min to obi abi na. Ye man we fit choice midfield and munti obi abi.
No player wa the Champions League mienu. Back to back. The Paris Saint-Germain. Also on no mo Chelsea.
That's when you
team na Europe kura sebi conference kura won timi amobi no
ya na ese yanko
on free on body hen Chelsea
na mi bisa say nuti na still mutimi to bia na muniska
ona dey say ato players
why
on say ato player bia
no e mo wi dale we ni players amato ana what why
you tell me say ato ana revi
you tell me go cry 30 years 20
hey Kofi revi do dey am no
you tell me
revi FA Cup no Telemans na Chelsea fo ni nyina we fa ne share no de agunu kon no apie asamasi ya to play ozi ye nto we dia
na Andre Santos
ai one player is afa
Nesimo de Pra Ugarte Pra
Obeba
which you see Manchester United fans are complaining Tiana
said
no but the midfield is point them to include them
yeni ska
adimi to be abim
ye okay with the squad near osisia no
Man City akoto Elliot Anderson money na Elliot Anderson wa mo ko Baleba ho akọ okay as we start Baleba you know no mo ye Baleba
they I think say you close that chapter
na Elliot Anderson so mo enyeska
Anderson no scanner no mo je ne board
Sandro Tonali no scanner scan board
on mum de na nke ye bat
Bruno Gamresh
ono so
na ye
Gomez de no wa na adwen so obobo asena
ni e Champions League mo bi kran ya Chelsea ye ni abre krachim
Blaze
Morgan Rogers
Palistri money adia na mboko asesa omo
na no
oni dream
molas match awo oni mo left winger Patrick Dogu no ball level come
na Dogu una fie be season no one former brand
time Champions League
no problem any season be start ye na say to
fit 7 days na after dey wa ba match no but one me boy no Jamaja tum say player
Santos a good player
yeah
good
yeah be say United for but we say o say Chelsea Jesse and come make us onya de o be say United
when ya shame Jesse ni de onya de go ya de za na so tia say
esi senior so asan ba
za brabo no say du ko chinia na uni option ezo shi aka no ka chense chairman enko besie me koya masamba
mani mo be say we top player
oh say ya ka chense
because
yenya top European club bia obeba for him dia ya already said ni be aduma
Ogu Jacques for no top one say wan be wan top enka ye na ka ye dada ni mo ka mu trash ni ba zia se de oboa
moni ate
hey gania wo dey gba na true up now ka you use ya tonu say then you but we are not going to allow that Premier League is starting in just a couple of weeks they are very much interested in the kind of business Arsenal for now one the only program right about be same in terms of the depth and quality of more park in Fiifi ya be share kini say investors here they be ko skefie nti ye say na boys no skaka kan na on ko skefie nti ma boys no coats quick ones be na omo koncha nti the first school BW 67E99F00 second one BW 67E9870B third one BW 67E77F93 fourth one BW 67E76C8A and the last one BW 67E758A9 yes
that's but I say a pet time na yes we so what here is it the modern game no it looks like a very expensive because or technical team no no
yeah
whether they Chelsea yeah apart from the set piece coach no
yeah
or sign what they or in charge of analysis
yeah
keep it data numbers ni bibia they say football no the win this car
same the FIFA so FIFA for almost one side
so I
this car about almost months here
that is why they be a say in clubs no omo Africa for instance omo nya de
yes
go the we coach ni assistant na ya group staff
you know
ya pese akua ni dem say football ni say ni je ho a o say bo ho kana yɛtumi yɛ ne yɛsi sɛ football science no teams ni bi de kɔ different level. Alright, yɛnto aso nhyɛ 104.5 na yɛne ɛyɛ currency